You are about to hear the voice of Udele from National Assembly premises. He went there because he noticed that 15th of December is at the corner. So they paid him to go and protest. He went with his few idiots that he's carrying up and down. They went there to say Nnamdi Kanu must not be released. If they want to release him, they should release his dead body. Udele is saying this. He said he's an Igbo person. You can see that he doesn't have Igbo blood in him. He's a Fulani stooge. And BNA must do the needful. Even if it's in only Udele, they will bring down. Anywhere he is, people should sacrifice. Even if it's suicide bombing, you will use to bring Udele down. Yes, I think Igbo land needs such a silence because Udele must go down.
More. Yeah, my people, we are live again. I don't know what stopped it. But the mission must go on. We are at the National Assembly to remind these ones inside here that say they are representing themselves. That the Northern Elders Forum say made a demand for their Biafra. Say now we never hear anything. And people go to social media, they make noise. As if now for social media, then they find a new country. Meanwhile, we there here to remind them, especially in Baribe, where they wear Dutch nation. Where they show them where they cry, where they cry. Where they wear Dutch nation. See, I mean, wear Dutch nation. 17 years in the Senate. Pure political failure. 17 years in the Senate, we don't see anything for Yando. Now, Biafra, don't want to use the confuse us. Like, oh yeah, see their picking. Nnamdi Kanu, see them. See private business where person set up. Where use the confusing young people. See, I'm company type. Private limited company. Watch am IPOB Worldwide Limited. Now, so now Biafra will be Biafra, the Republic of Biafra Limited. Oh yeah, see the carry am go up. See am. Watch. See am nature of business. For those of where they cry. For those of where they cry. See this nonsense. You see this nonsense. You people must end this nonsense once and for all. You demand for this rubbish or you criminalize it. Okay? If I came and say, well done. Guys, hit the like button and share the video. You either criminalize this nonsense or you demand for it now. The Northern Elders Forum don't tell on her. Say more on her demand that. So make I just give on a small loud speaker. Before I go ahead, they don't come. Come. Give me that one. Make I hold for you. No, okay. You know hold on. Go carry and come now. You see him? Well, they show them and they see him. They show them and they see him. Show them and they see him. They show them and they see him. That criminality. Ndoshi. Made them they see him. Now thief, then the thief. On a say when they find Biafra, now private business. Hold this one like this. Hold on. Wait, go back. I go stand here. Go to ask the lawyer. Where National Assembly? Right here. You don't know National Assembly before. Hello, my people. We don't come again, no. We say we are here to expose the fraud that is Biafra through IPOB Worldwide Limited, the private business. The criminal Nnamdi Kanu set up. And some people inside here are the ones giving him political cover. Lying that Igbo are demanding the release of Nnamdi Kanu as a Christmas gift. Well, if he's releasing his corpse, we are happy with it. As for releasing him alive, say we buy army, then they leave him. If you release Nnamdi Kanu, who you want to keep for prison? How many people, now beside person kill 50 people, they never carry and go prison now. May they not release him, the only people not going to release about an dead body. Criminal, all the people where they support are not criminals. Biafra is a scam. Any Nayaba is a tell people's children the truth. So they will leave the bush. Tell people's children the truth, so they will leave the bush. There is no Biafra anywhere. It's a private business. IPOB is Nnamdi Kanu's private business. Don't share me about the Siam. Organize them up. Siam, private limited company. Nature of business, radio broadcasting and Yes, so. Maybe not be like say we no one on. Yes, so. On a go see on a banners everywhere for Southeast, for Lagos. Yeah, so. For Abuja, on a don't abandon village one because your ESN no green stay. But on a children that Abuja dey Lagos, we go see they put their picture for outside. You go see it everybody. Thank you everyone, guys. For show me. So guys, like we said, we told them we are going to do it, and we've done it. Yes, so let's hear the Mozunda Bruno. The confused people that are defending those that are killing them. Come and defend them now, but if you keep body in the yes, so come defend them. He tell you say no get lawyer. They like this. He tell you say no get lawyer. If you lie against her, why you no call lawyer? Yeah? Why you no carry us go court? Now go there, they told rubbish, they respect a bunch of new people. That politics, any now, but if they cannot do any business that will give you 5 million naira, what on your yes, sir. That was also all this unnecessary respect, so now they give mad people. I beg give me this thing, make an offer.
Alright, in case you are wondering who is speaking, it was actually Udele, the highest saboteur in Igbo land. And I keep wondering, how is it that our Liberation Army has not laid hand on him? We must continue to bring down the saboteurs, starting from him. He said they should release the dead body of Nnamdi Kanu if they must release him. You know, Nnamdi Kanu being alive will make him to fail. Will make all his juju, all his saboteur, all the bribes, everything he promised the Zoological Republic that he will end Biafra. Simon Ekpa is your end, the end of sabotage. If you like, hit your head on the wall. Biafra agitation must continue. And Biafra must come, not just agitation, because we have already rounded up Nigeria and you've taken the bull by the horn. Yes, because his likes are the people that said, oh, let us kidnap Nnamdi Kanu, kidnap him and nothing will happen. They held him there for 2 years. 2 years. They tortured him for 8 days, first of all. Left him in fact, in a state of almost coma. But God resuscitated him, gave him back life, cleaned him up, and his enemies are surprised. How is it that he's alive up to this time? Upon all the poison, upon all everything they've given to him, yet he's still alive, and they want to kill him by force. Nobody should lay hand on Nnamdi Kanu. Leave him, let him go. He's not the problem of Nigeria, okay? The problem of Nigeria are the politicians who are not using the whole money made from Nigeria resources to take care of Nigerians. They are the problem of Nigeria. They are the ones that cause no production and then everything is on the high side. They are the one that cause the rise of dollar. So they are the problem of Nigerians, right? Not Nnamdi Kanu. Do not lay your hand on innocent Nnamdi Kanu, alright? Alright, I know our people are very down concerning this, very angry, but it doesn't matter. Saboteur is always a saboteur. Until he goes down, he will not stop sabotaging the effort of Biafra. So until then, we'll be right back. Thank you.